Search engine optimization are the techniques used on either your Google Maps listing, also known as Google My Business, and also the techniques used on a website to ensure that it appears highly via search engines such as Google. For example, if I were to search for painter in Penrith, a well-optimized Google Maps listing will appear more highly than those that are not optimized. In an ideal world, in this top 3 results called the top 3 map pack, and a well-optimized listing should appear on the first page of Google and in the first few search results. There are a number of techniques used when optimizing a website or a maps listing. We refer to these initially as on-site optimization, where we can update certain things within our maps, whether it be the map's name, the categories the maps are listed in, or when it comes to a website, things such as your meta title, the one that is returned here, your permalink and the content within the site. There's a lot more information, and in our online course we will go through each of these step by step, the importance of each and how you can integrate these areas onto your website or maps. There is also what we refer to as off-site search optimization, where you would be creating high domain authority backlinks to your site. This builds your reputation with Google and other search engines, along with posting of articles and content on other relevant information sources. So in summary, search engine optimization are the techniques that are used to make your website and your maps to be deemed to be very relevant. And in most cases, we want to make sure that we can make sure that what is done is showing your site to be as relevant, if not more relevant than your competitors, so that your website is being returned before them in the top search results, and that your business will be appearing in these top 3 map results that are returned at Google. If you're wanting to learn more on how to best search optimize your website, I've created a Search Engine Optimization Academy with easy to follow video tutorials and further information on how to best optimize and implement these optimization techniques onto your website to generate the best possible search results for your business today.